In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own Etsy shop. This process is ideal if you're looking to showcase your creative talents and start selling your handcrafted items online. Since Etsy requires users to be at least 18 years old to create a shop, you'll need to enlist the help of a parent or guardian to guide you through this process. Let's begin by opening your internet browser and heading over to Etsy.com. If you already have an Etsy account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to click on the sign up button where you'll be prompted to enter your email, name, and create a new password. It's quick and straightforward, and once you're in, we're ready for the next step. At the top right of the Etsy homepage, you'll find the Sell on Etsy button. Clicking on this will lead you to an option that reads Open your Etsy shop. This is the doorway to setting up your entrepreneurial adventure. Now, it's time to set your shop preferences. This is where you decide on the language, country, and currency that will define your shop's foundation. Make these selections thoughtfully, as they will influence both your communication with customers and the logistics of selling. Once you've made your choices, click Save and Continue. Next comes one of the most creative parts of the process, naming your shop. Your shop name should be fun and unique, something catchy like Crafty Kids Designs or Fun Art Studio. As you type in your desired shop name, Etsy will let you know if it's available. Take your time with this step, as a great name can make a lasting impression. Once you find the perfect name, click Save and Continue. Now, let's add a product to your shop. This is the stage where you get to showcase your talent. Upload a photo of a drawing, craft, or any creation you want to sell. Along with the image, include a catchy title, a detailed description, and a price. High-quality photos and engaging descriptions can help attract potential buyers, so invest time in getting this right. When it comes to receiving payments, it's crucial for your parent or guardian to assist. They'll help you set up your preferred payment options, ensuring you can seamlessly receive money from your sales. Payment setup is pivotal, as it's how you'll turn your creative efforts into earnings. Finally, with everything set and ready, all that's left is to click on Open Your Shop. This action officially launches your Etsy shop into the world. Congratulations, you're now ready to start selling and sharing your creativity with a global audience. And that's it, you're all set up to begin your journey as an Etsy seller. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you enjoy this new venture. Happy selling!